how to fix this problem on the screen right here. So as you guys can see, if your game is keep crashing on Marvel Rivals, in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to fix that. So at first I'm going to show you guys how to do it on Epic Games, then I'm going to show you guys how to do it on Steam. So what you have to do firstly, just send and close this. Then once you do that, you're going to open Epic Games. Then once you're on Epic Games, you're going to go to Library. Then once you're in Library, you're going to click on Marvel Rivals and click on Manage, then click on Verify Files. So what verifying does is this basically fixes most of your problems, so your game shouldn't crash because they're basically putting all the updated files in your files. So you're gonna have to click on the three dots again, click on Manage, then you're gonna have to click on Installation, and you should have this file right here where it said Open Installation Location. Open that. Now from here you're gonna have to scroll down till you find Marvel Rival Launcher. Right click it. Now from here you're gonna click on Security. Then once you're in security, you have to click on this option right here where it says to change permission, click edit. Then once you do that, you're going to have to click allow for every single one. I'll click on OK. Now you're just going to close this. Click on Epic Launch Helper. Click on Properties. Click on Security again. Click on Edit. Click on Allow for this ones too. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now you're going to come back to Epic Games, open Marvel Rivals, and your game should be fixed. Now we're going to go over the Steam situation. So what you have to do firstly is obviously go on Steam. Once you're in Steam, you're going to have to right click, click on Properties. Then once you're in Properties, you're going to have to go to General and make sure you have this on. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. Then once you turn that on, you're going to have to go to Updates and make sure the game is updated to the latest version. Then once you do that, you're going to have to click on Install Files. Then once you're on Install Files, you're going to have to click on Verify this game's files are installed correctly. Then once you do that, it might take a while, but it's going to verify your game. What this is doing, this is basically updating your game to the latest one possible. They're going to delete all the glitches and everything you're going through, and it's going to fix the problem most likely. While you're waiting for the game verification, you're going to have to click on Browse. Then once you click on Browse, you're going to have to right click on Multiverse. Now from here, make sure you have allow for every single one. So you're going to have to click on Edit. Then you're going to have to select every single one. Then you're going to have to click on OK. Then once you do that, you're going to have to go on Customize. Once you click on Customize, you're going to have to click this option right here. You're going to have to click OK. Then once you do that, you're going to go to Temp. Right click on it. Click on Delete. Click on Yes. Then once you do that, you're going to have to go back now. Wait a few minutes. Your game is still verified. Just wait a few minutes. Then once your game finally verifies, you have fixed the problem. Thank you for watching the video. If this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.